Okay, so we are going to make this is a review of a box plot. Okay. Box plots are not that difficult to do, so this will be pretty fast. So first thing we need is a set of data. So let's take some numbers. Let's say we have 35, 47, 21, 34, 22, 51, 31, and 37. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Okay? So put the numbers in order. So our smallest number is 21. It's going to go 21 first, then 22. Then our next number is 31, 34, 35, 37, 47, and then 51. Now the purpose of a box plot is to show us how spread out our information is, because each portion of our graph has the exact same amount of numbers. But what it's going to show us is, even though there might be only 2 numbers in each section, if it looks like it's longer, that means those numbers are spread out more. Alright, so now that we have the numbers in order, we're going to break this up. We need to find the median. So to find the median, we go to the middle. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm actually going to use, so I have this one here, and this one, and this one. As I work my way towards the middle, my median is between these 2 numbers. So to find the median between these, I'm going to go 34 plus 35 divided by 2, and that's going to be 34.5. Okay, so that's my median. Now, what I've done with that median is I have 4 numbers on the left side, and I have, let me get a different color here, 4 numbers on the right side. I'm going to split those numbers in half. So on the left side, I'm going to split these 2. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to find the median. I'm going to find 22 plus 31 divided by 2. Well, that's 53 divided by 2, and that's 26.5. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Take the 2 numbers in here, split this up. So I'm going to have 37 plus 47 divided by 2. Well, that's, let's see, that's 84 divided by 2, and that's 42. Now, each of these 3 numbers are medians of different sections, but they also have another number, another name. This is called the first quartile number. And I'm actually going to clean this up a little bit. Again, this first one is called the first quartile. Let's see. Okay. And a quartile means just a quarter. So this is where I have the break for the first 1/4 of my numbers. So I have 2 numbers in there. So each section that I've broken up has 2 numbers. And that's what I want. This is called the second quartile. And then this one is the third quartile. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these three numbers and then also our minimum number, which is this one right here. This is our min. And our max, so our last number. And we're going to plot them all. All right, so I'm going to make a number line here at the bottom. Do that. Let's get it right on the line. And how you count by, you can do whatever you want. Actually, you know what? I'm going to make this a little bit thicker so we can see it. Alright, and it is a number line, so we're going to count. So let's say this is 1, so this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's count by 2s. So we'll say that this is 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 22, 24, 26, 28, 40. And here's 50. Alright? And what we're going to do is take that minimum number and we're going to plot it just above our line. So 21 would be about right there because we counted by 2s. And our last number is 51. Well, 51 would be about right there. Now you notice these lines that I drew at the very top, the blue, the red, and the green lines? I'm going to put lines on my graph as well at those numbers. So at 26 and a half, 22, 24, 26 and a half, I'm going to put a line. 34 and a half, I'm going to put a line. 42, I'm going to put a line. And then I connect those lines and form a box. And then I draw my little tails out, connecting them. And so there's my box plot. Now, again, like I said, each section of my box plot, there's 4 sections. There's the 2 boxes and the 2 little, we call them whiskers. Each one has 2 numbers in it. Okay? So, depending upon how much longer they are, how much shorter, tells us how spread out our numbers were. Alright, so that's a box plot. If you have questions, make sure you bring them to class.